Welcome again to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thanks for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. This is part 2 of our series on The Essential Guide to Heavy Vehicle Tires. In this segment, we'll continue exploring the crucial aspects of heavy vehicle tire safety, performance, and selection. Whether you're a commercial driver, fleet manager, or just an automotive enthusiast, this information is invaluable. Let's dive into part 2. When it comes to heavy vehicles, choosing the right type of tire is crucial for optimal performance and safety. Heavy vehicles, such as trucks and construction equipment, require specialized tires designed to handle their specific load and terrain requirements. We will explore the different types of tires commonly used for heavy vehicles. All-season tires are a popular choice for heavy vehicles as they offer a versatile solution for various weather conditions. These tires are designed to provide reliable traction on both wet and dry surfaces, making them suitable for year-round use. They are engineered with tread patterns that efficiently channel water away to prevent hydroplaning, while also maintaining good grip on dry roads. Winter tires, also known as snow tires, are specifically designed to enhance traction and handling in icy and snowy conditions. These tires feature a unique tread pattern with deeper grooves and sipes, which help to improve grip on slippery surfaces. The rubber compound used in winter tires remains flexible in cold temperatures, further enhancing their performance in freezing conditions. It is important to switch to winter tires during the colder months to ensure optimal safety and control on icy roads. Summer tires, sometimes referred to as performance tires, are designed to provide superior grip and handling on dry and warm roads. These tires feature a specialized rubber compound that remains firm even at high temperatures, allowing for maximum traction and responsiveness. They typically have wider tread blocks to increase contact with the road surface, enhancing stability during cornering and braking maneuvers. All-terrain tires are a popular choice for heavy vehicles that need to traverse a variety of terrains. These tires are characterized by their aggressive tread patterns, which provide excellent off-road traction on surfaces like gravel, mud, sand, and rocks. All-terrain tires also offer good on-road performance, making them suitable for vehicles that frequently transition between urban and off-road environments. Mud terrain tires are specifically designed to tackle challenging off-road conditions, particularly muddy and uneven terrains. These tires feature deep and widely spaced tread blocks that aggressively dig into the mud, providing maximum traction and self-cleaning capabilities. Mud terrain tires also have reinforced sidewalls to resist punctures and damage from rocks or debris encountered during off-road adventures. Highway tires, also known as commercial or highway rib tires, are designed for heavy vehicles primarily driven on paved roads or highways. These tires feature a ribbed tread pattern that ensures a smooth and quiet ride while maintaining excellent stability and handling at high speeds. Highway tires also offer good fuel efficiency and long tread life, making them a cost-effective option for heavy vehicles frequently used for long-distance travel. By understanding the different types of tires available for heavy vehicles, you can make an informed decision based on the specific requirements of your vehicle and the conditions in which it will be operating. Whether you need all-season versatility, superior traction in winter or off-road environments, or optimized performance on highways, there is a tire designed to meet your needs. Taking proper care of heavy vehicle tires is essential to ensure optimal performance, safety, and longevity. Regular maintenance and inspections play a crucial role in maximizing tire life and preventing costly repairs or replacements. Let's talk about 4 key aspects of tire maintenance: regular inspection and rotation, correct inflation pressure, wheel alignment and balancing, as well as tire repair and replacement. Regular inspections are vital for detecting any signs of wear or damage early on. Heavy vehicles put a significant amount of stress on tires, and consistent monitoring can help identify potential issues before they worsen. Inspect your tires regularly for the following. Tread depth. Adequate tread depth is crucial for optimal traction and handling. Use a tread depth gauge to measure the depth and ensure it meets the recommended standards. Signs of uneven wear. Uneven wear patterns may indicate alignment or suspension issues. If you notice any irregularities, it is important to address them promptly. Cuts or punctures. Inspect the tire sidewalls and tread for cuts, punctures, or any other visible damage. These can lead to increased risk of blowouts and should be addressed immediately. In addition to regular inspections, rotating tires at recommended intervals is equally important. This helps distribute the wear evenly among all tires and extends their overall lifespan. Consult the manufacturer's guidelines or seek advice from a professional to determine the appropriate rotation pattern for your specific heavy vehicle. Maintaining the correct inflation pressure is crucial for heavy vehicle tires. Underinflated or overinflated tires can lead to various problems, including decreased fuel efficiency, uneven wear, and reduced traction. Follow these tips to ensure proper inflation pressure. Refer to the manufacturer's recommendations. Check the owner's manual or the tire placard to identify the recommended inflation pressure for your heavy vehicle. Use a reliable gauge. Regularly measure the tire pressure using a calibrated tire gauge. Inspect and adjust the pressure when the tires are cold, as heat generated during driving can affect the readings. Monitor pressure regularly. Make it a habit to check the tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Maintaining the proper inflation pressure is an ongoing responsibility. Proper wheel alignment and balancing are crucial for heavy vehicle tires. Misaligned wheels can result in uneven tire wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and compromised handling. Here are some key points to consider. Professional alignment. Regularly take your heavy vehicle to a reputable service center for professional wheel alignment. This ensures that all wheels are properly aligned as per the manufacturer's specifications. Balancing procedures. Whenever you install new tires or notice any vibration while driving, it is advisable to get the wheels balanced. Balancing redistributes weight evenly to minimize vibrations and ensure a smooth ride. Despite all preventive measures, there may come a time when tire repair or replacement becomes necessary. It is important to address any tire damage promptly to avoid further complications. Here are some considerations. Professional assessment. When encountering a puncture, cut, or other significant damage, consult a tire professional to determine if the tire can be safely repaired or if replacement is required. Quality replacements. When replacing tires, ensure you choose a high-quality option suitable for the specific heavy vehicle application. Consider factors such as load capacity, speed rating, and tread design to ensure optimal performance. By following these maintenance practices, you can prolong the lifespan of your heavy vehicle tires, improve safety, and avoid unnecessary expenses. Remember that regular inspections, correct inflation pressure, proper wheel alignment and balancing, as well as timely repairs or replacements, are all key components of effective tire care. Stay proactive in taking care of your heavy vehicle tires to ensure optimal performance and a smooth driving experience. In conclusion, heavy vehicles rely on multiple tires to ensure their optimal performance and safety. These vehicles, such as trucks and construction equipment, carry heavy loads and require sturdy tires that can withstand the pressure and provide stability. By using a combination of different tire types, including steer, drive, and trailer tires, heavy vehicles can effectively distribute the weight and maintain traction on various surfaces. Additionally, regular maintenance and proper inflation of these tires are essential to prolong their lifespan and maximize fuel efficiency. Overall, understanding the importance of tires in heavy vehicles is crucial for ensuring smooth operations and minimizing the risk of accidents on the road. Thank you for tuning in to Part 2 of our series. We hope you now have a comprehensive understanding of heavy vehicle tire safety, performance, and selection. If you found this content valuable, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Stay safe on the road, and until next time, happy driving. Thank you for watching.